Hello everyone. Thank you so much for liking and appreciating the content that I share. And thank you also for sharing my videos with your family and friends. The ultimate joy that I receive is when, people message me to either know more about what I've shared or, tell me that it has made a difference in their lives. Today we are going to talk about colors. Yes, colors are everywhere around us. Nature uses color to attract or to repel or also to protect itself. At the same time, we as humans, we have a chakra system which is made up of colors, right? The 7 colors of our chakra system. And have you ever wondered that whenever you open your wardrobe and you are wanting to choose what to wear, you instinctively reach out to a particular color? Now this is how we are very intricately connected with our emotions and color. They have a very deep relationship. Whatever color we need that day to fulfill our entire spectrum, that is exactly the color of the dress, or that is exactly the dress which we are going to choose that day. Of course, we allow our conscious mind to interfere with our choices at times, but still the first color that you instinctively reach out is the color in the spectrum that your chakra system needs, so that it can balance itself and it can help you flow very easily in the world on that day. Well, I would like to share with you a few colors and the diseases that they can help in curing, or these colors can assist in healing those diseases very fast. So the first is, in case because of the corona thing, and because corona impacts the lungs and the respiratory system, we will first talk about it. In case you are an asthmatic or a bronchitic person, or if you've had any lung infection, you can choose to include a lot of green in your life. Now, how can we do that? You can either wear green colored clothes, you can eat, green food, you can spend time in the greens. You can either go for a small stroll or just go and sit in the garden for some time, consciously looking at the green. You know, or probably you can just walk on the green grass. Similarly, if you are having a weak stomach, or because of the medicines your liver has sort of slowed down, or you have gastric ulcers, anything concerning the stomach or the liver or your digestion, what you can do is include a lot of yellow in your life. You can wear yellow clothes, you can have some yellow blooms in your house. You can change the upholstery, in the sense the bed sheet of your bed, it can have a little bit of yellow. You can consume yellow colored foods. This is what you can do if you want to set your digestive system right. Another thing, uh, sometimes we have a lot of thoughts, we get irritated, we get angry, we get agitated, and we get upset over a lot of things, and there are a lot of thoughts that are cluttering our mind, and we really feel unable to control or manage our own thoughts. What you can do is include indigo in your life. You can keep a painting. The best thing, one of my clients did it. I was telling her, you need to have something indigo. What is it that you can look at when you feel agitated or angry, and do a little bit of breathing exercises. So she painted om, an om with the indigo color, and she put it right in front of her work desk. She said, whenever I feel agitated, I feel angry, or I feel that I really can't do it anymore, I simply look at that indigo om that I have painted, and I do a few, and I take a few deep breaths, and it has really worked for her. So maybe you can try bringing the indigo color in your life. Of course, there are certain plants which are of indigo color. You can, similarly do a painting, or choose how you can include indigo in your life. And every time you want to, pay attention to your mind, or you want to calm yourself down, do look at the indigo color. I hope these small tips help. We will be continuing with this series. I'll be talking more about how you can include more colors in your life, and how your chakra system responds to colors, and how you can use these colors to improve your health in my further videos. Meanwhile, do write down in the comment section if you try anything of this, and my request would be to try one single thing. That is, for example, if you're choosing to assist your lungs or your heart center with a green color, please do it continuously for 7 to 10 days or 11 days, and then write down your experience, and then you can proceed for something more. Yeah, stay safe, stay smiling, and stay healthy. Bye bye.